The JBL EON ONE MK2 is a portable, battery-powered column PA that features a class-leading acoustic package and a 5-channel digital mixer. Today, we're going to show you how to factory reset your speaker. There are two methods to factory reset this unit. The first involves accessing the menu from the LCD screen, and the second is a manual hard reset. The first method is a simple 5-step method. While your unit is powered on, click the main/menu rotary button once to enter into the menu page as shown here. Next, turn the rotary clockwise to highlight Settings, then click the rotary button to select. Turn the rotary clockwise again to highlight Factory Reset, and then click the rotary button once more to select Go. A warning window will pop up. Click the rotary button to continue. The LEDs will then flash repeatedly for a few seconds until the entire unit powers off. The unit will then power on and the factory reset will be complete. The second way to factory reset your EON ONE MK2 is to simultaneously press and hold the main/menu button and the channel 4/treble encoder until the LEDs begin to flash on and off. The unit will then power off and power back on by itself when the factory reset is complete. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at jblpro.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.